A bill that gives the centre more power over Delhi moved one step closer today to becoming a law in a setback to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's government. The Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2021 has been passed in the Lok Sabha and will now be taken up in the Rajya Sabha. The bill gives more powers to the Lieutenant Governor, the centre's representative in Delhi, compared to the city's elected government. It was brought in the Parliament last week, 3 years after a constitution bench of the Supreme Court ruled on the dispute between Delhi's ruling Aam Aadmi Party government and the Lieutenant Governor. The government claimed that the bill would further define the responsibilities of the elected government and the Lieutenant Governor in line with the constitutional scheme of the governance as interpreted by the Supreme Court. Arvind Kejriwal, meanwhile, called the development an insult to the people of Delhi. The gap between two doses of Covishield vaccine should be increased from 28 days to 6 to 8 weeks for better result, the government has written to states and union territories. The instruction has gone out in the middle of the round 2 of nationwide vaccination, in which people above 60 and those over 45 with other illnesses are being inoculated. The revised interval applies only to Serum Institute of India's Covishield, the vaccine developed by Oxford AstraZeneca, and not to Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, the centre said in a letter today. The current gap between two doses is 28 days or between 4 to 6 weeks. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh was ailing and in hospital at the time he was allegedly discussing a rupees 100 crore extortion racket with police officers, Nationalist Congress Party Chief Sharad Pawar said today, ruling out the possibility of his resignation. Former Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh's allegations against the Home Minister, he said, was meant just to divert attention from the Mukesh Ambani explosive scare case, over which he was moved out from the top post and into the Home Guards. Addressing the media amid a political storm over Parambir Singh's corruption allegations, Pawar said Anil Deshmukh was in hospital from February 5th to February 15th. From February 15th to 27th, he was in home isolation in Nagpur, he added. Deshmukh had contracted COVID last month. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi turned a martial art instructor today during his visit to a college in Kerala on the request of a student. The 50-year-old Wayanad MP, who is trained in the Japanese martial art Aikido, took a bunch of students on stage at St. Teresa's College and showed them a principle of the art. For around 10 minutes, the stage turned to a dojo where Rahul Gandhi demonstrated how one woman can resist being pushed by some 7 others by using their energy to hold the ground. He helped the young woman get her posture correct and showed her the technique of the Aikido principle. He sat with her on the stage demonstrating what she had to do. The long-delayed national awards for films released in the year 2019 were announced in New Delhi today. Chichore, starring Sushant Singh Rajput, who died by suicide last year, won the Best Hindi Film. Kangana Ranaut won her 4th national award, that is Best Actress, for her work in the film Manikarnika and in Panga. The Malayalam language movie won the Best Film. It also picked up the award for the Best Special Effects. The national award for the Best Actor was shared by Manoj Bajpayee for his performance in Bhosle and Dhanush for Asuran, which also won Best Tamil Film. Vijay Sethupathi won Best Supporting Actor for Super Deluxe and Pallavi Joshi was awarded the Best Supporting Actress for the Tashkent Files. Sikkim was declared the most film-friendly state. Gumnami, based on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, won the Best Bengali Film and Best Adapted Screenplay. Jallikattu, the Oscar entry from India this year, won Best Cinematography. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.